think you're just watching a video, but what you're really doing is rewiring your brain to crave something that will never satisfy you. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain doesn't know the difference between pixels and real connection. It just knows it got a hit, so it craves another one, bigger, faster, more extreme. That's not weakness. That's how addiction works. And lust, it's one of the most powerful because it hijacks the deepest wiring you have. But here's the part no one talks about. Every time you feed it, you're not just losing time. You're losing the ability to feel real intimacy. You're teaching yourself that people are objects, that love is performance, that connection is consumption. And one day, when you're with someone you actually care about, you'll realize you don't know how to be present because your brain has been trained to chase a fantasy instead of building something real. So, if you want to break free, start here. Stop trying to quit by willpower alone. Rewire the loop. Replace the trigger. When the urge hits, move your body, call someone, get outside, interrupt the pattern before it owns you. Because lust doesn't just steal your time, it steals your ability to love, and that's worth fighting for.